Hey guys, it's the Villaman here, and I reached out to SVS and they sent me the new 3000 series of subwoofers. So what I have are the SB-3000 and the PB-3000, the sealed and ported version. So what I'll be doing today is unboxing them and setting them up. Stick around. Now, SVS released these subwoofers at the end of 2018, so I am very excited to be checking them out right now. These are both 13-inch subwoofers, and I'm excited to find out what they sound like, but before that, let's see what's in the box. The question is, which one should I unbox first? This one or this one? The SB-3000 one. Now, if you've seen my last unboxing video, then you'll know that the trusty unboxing knife has retired, but what replaced it is now the official Villaman unboxing knife. I will remember you. Now, they don't recommend you opening the box from the top, but let's do it anyways. First up, we have the product registration and user manual. Then we have the C13 power cord. So next up we have the perforated metal speaker grill. I'm not really the biggest fan of these, so I just leave them in the box. The subwoofer is packed very well for shipping. It's packed very securely, so it won't be jostled around during shipping. So I didn't open the last box as SVS has recommended. So they recommend you open it from the bottom first. So you flip it upside down and then open it. The PB3000 is a great deal heavier than the SB3000. So you may need some help while unboxing so you don't hurt yourself. The contents of the box are basically the same that we saw in the previous box. We have the product registration and the PB user manual. Then the power cable. And lastly, a free t-shirt. It's made of some high quality cotton and has the SVS logo printed on the back. It's a size XL, so use that knowledge how you may. And I'm guessing it's washing machine safe. The size comparison of the two grills is the first indication of the size differences between these two subs. Oh, and we also have foam plugs, which are used to change the subwoofer's frequency response. Those ports hold them more securely than I do, clearly. Alright, so let's go over some specs. The SB3000 has a 13-inch high excursion driver. It has 800 watts of continuous power and 2500 watts of peak power. It's able to be controlled by a Bluetooth connected smartphone app and has a frequency response of 18 to 270 Hz plus or minus 3 dB. It weighs in at 54.5 pounds and comes in two finishes, black ash like I have here, or a black piano gloss. Now for the PB3000, it has the same high excursion 13-inch driver and the same amplifier with 800 watts continuous power and over 2500 watts peak. You can control it with the same smartphone app. The frequency response is 16 to 270 Hz plus or minus 3 dB. It also comes in at a more stout 82 pounds with the same two finishes, black ash and piano gloss. The app will automatically detect the sub once it's plugged in and powered on. You can use it to change volume, polarity, phase, and even the parametric EQ, as well as the different modes like for music or movies.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Right off the bat, some initial impressions. I was surprised at the size of both of these. I was surprised at how small the SB3000 was and how much larger the PB3000 was than the SB3000. It actually makes my SB4000 look pretty small. So of course now going forward, I'll be integrating these into my home theater and doing some demos to see what they're really capable of. And of course I'll be making some demo videos for you guys to check out, but the question is, do I do music or movies? Or both? Let me know in the comments. Another thing is the weight disparity between both of them. I could move the SB3000 by myself with no problem at all, but that PB3000, I had to actually walk it. Don't slide it, especially if you have carpets, because those feet will leave stains. I found out the hard way. And for all of you saying, oh, I knew that, then why did you tell me? What I had to do was walk it, so just shimmy it left and right to get it into the position I wanted. So both of these subs will have their specific specialties. So the ported subs are better for movies because of the extra low frequency extension that they have, while sealed is normally better for music. But I'll put both of them to the test to find out just how good they are at each of these. Now feel free to share this video on social media or with anyone you think will benefit from seeing it. If you have a specific song or movie you'd like for me to check out with these subs, let me know in the comments and I'll see what I can do. So I hope you subscribe so you won't miss those. Until next time, this has been your friend and neighborhood Villa Man saying, peace.